video with Real Wife Life. It is a one box challenge. We are to see what we can find to fill one box to get rid of from our home. So of course I started in my favorite place. No, not my craft room. In my kitchen. I cleaned out my kitchen cabinets and reorganized them while I was decluttering. And I found out I had tons of lids but no containers, and tons of containers with no lids. So that's the first thing I got rid of. We decluttered the upper cabinets in our house, and this is what we've got. It's a Staples medium-sized box of kitchenware that has just overrun our house. And we're cleaning our cabinets as we go, so that's a +2. Out the drawers in my cabinet, and these are the following items that I found that needed to go.